What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Real quick, I want to give shout out to Craft Factory and Crafty Panda. These are their ideas. I searched the net and I thought they were pretty cool, and I want to present them to you. So just to let you guys know, these are not my ideas. This is Craft Factory and Crafty Panda. When you get a chance, go to their website or their YouTube channel, check them out. They're pretty cool. Peace.
What's up, fam? So we're gonna melt our white chocolate till it comes to a melt like this. Now we're just gonna start our first treat. It's gonna be oranges and celery you're gonna need. You're gonna cut your celery into a little stem, just a little one. Now we're gonna take our orange and we're gonna peel it. Do the best you can. You're not the best. You can only do what you can. You're gonna make a little incision to the top. You'll see why in a minute. Just hold on. And that's where you're gonna add your celery piece. Nice healthy treat. Little orange pumpkin. Give me a like. Now next, all you're gonna need is an orange and some diced fruit. We're gonna make our Jackolantern Orange. What you're gonna do is just cut the top off of it. And then you're gonna cut the core and remove it. It can be a little messy. It's alright. And once you got your core out, go ahead and use a spoon, get the rest of the juice out. Now we're going to carve out our jack-o'-lantern. Look at our jack-o'-lantern orange. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our fruit. It doesn't matter what fruit you have. Like I say, apples and oranges. How do you like? Now for our scary apple, you're gonna need candy, strawberry, an apple, peanut butter, and sunflower seeds. First we're gonna cut our strawberry into tongues. And then we're gonna make our mouth. Let's make it wider. Doesn't hurt anybody. Now let's add our peanut butter. Like this. Now we're gonna add our seeds. Mine are sunflower. You can use whatever edible seeds you have. All right. We're gonna add our tongue. Now it's time to put on our eyes so we can see better. Quick facts.
How y'all like the mohawk? Give me a thumbs up if you like the mohawk. Alright? So, why do we dress up in scary costumes during Halloween? The wearing of costumes at Halloween may come from the belief that spiritual beings, or the souls of the dead, roam the earth at this time. The practice may have originated in a Celtic festival held on 31st of October through the 1st of November to mark the beginning of winter. The festival is believed to have pre-Christian roots.
Pretty cool. Now we're gonna make our ghost apple. You're gonna need white chocolate in your apple. You're gonna melt your chocolate, of course. And now we're gonna carve in our face. Let's go. Don't worry about trying to be perfect. Scary things aren't meant to be pretty. Come to think of it, put a skewer in it. And then we dip our apple in our chocolate, and this is what we have. We're gonna try to fix it a little bit. No need to be perfect. Now, it's time for our richest fingers. You need white chocolate, pretzel sticks, and pistachios. You're gonna put them in your chocolate, and then you're gonna garnish it with your ugly pistachio nail. No need to be perfect. We're just having fun. Now we're gonna add our witch's bloody ring. This is optional. Ooh. Now, for our fingers and toes, you're just gonna need some hot dogs and some sausages, celery, and our onion. Alright. So what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna cut our fingernails. You're also gonna make a slit where the cuticle would go. And then you're gonna put your onions and your celery where that place is at. You're gonna preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You're gonna cook them for 10 to 15 minutes until you get this. This is what your toes look like. Alright, you guys, I have fun with that. My children have fun with it too. So man, this is my first time doing it, so let's see what we got here. We got our witch's fingers over here. We got our orange pumpkins, scary faces, our ghost apples, our fingers and toes. Hey man, I think this was pretty cool, man. Healthy and pretty cool treats. You know, last 15 minutes, you can make this in a heartbeat. Well, look, you guys, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit the notification bell on your bottom right. Share this video with all your friends. Let's make it to our first 100 subscribers, Ddins. Until next time, peace.